In this video, we're learning a simple and beautiful lace pattern. The wavy line in the center is created by right-leaning and left-leaning decreases, with 5 stitches on each side. The decreases always lean toward the yarn overs. It's worked over 13 stitches and 8 rows. You can knit it in the round or flat. Knitting in the round is simpler, because you always work on the right side, and you don't need to learn the wrong side versions of knit 2 together and slip knit. This pattern takes a little practice, but once you get the rhythm, it becomes very easy. I'll show you one full repeat, and the written instructions will appear on the screen. Cast on a multiple of 13 plus 2 stitches for symmetry plus edge stitches. I have 17 stitches on my needle for this sample. For nice edges, I use a yarn over and slip one at the beginning, and knit them together at the end. First row, edge stitch, purl 2, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, knit 2 stitches together, knit 5, purl 2, edge stitch, second row, edge stitch, knit 2, purl 5, purl 2 stitches together. This is the wrong side version of knit 2 together. Purl 2, yarn over, purl 2, knit 2, edge stitch, third row, edge stitch, purl 2, knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, knit 2 stitches together, knit 5, purl 2, edge stitch, fourth row, edge stitch, knit 2, purl 5, purl 2 stitches together, yarn over, purl 4, knit 2, edge stitch, now the half of the pattern with the eyelets on the right side is complete. Let's continue with the other half. 5th row, edge stitch, purl 2, knit 5, slip slip knit, knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, purl 2, edge stitch, sixth row, edge stitch, knit 2, purl 2, yarn over, purl 2, slip slip purl. This is the wrong side equivalent of slip slip knit. It's a tricky stitch, and slipping the stitches several times gives the best result. If you know an easier method, feel free to share it in the comments. Purl 5, knit 2, edge stitch, 7th row, edge stitch, purl 2, knit 5, slip slip knit, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, purl 2, edge stitch, eighth row, edge stitch, knit 2, purl 4, yarn over, slip slip purl, purl 5, knit 2, edge stitch, repeat rows 1 to 8 to continue the pattern. I hope this pattern inspires you to try it out, or maybe use it in one of your handmade garments. If you liked this video, please support my work by liking and sharing it. And don't forget to subscribe for more knitting tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.